the combination of, the bowlers, I'm not talking about what Mahendra Singh Dhoni has, said, but we always try to get the balance and the wickets in Sri Lanka. I think this is the best possible combination in our bowling department. We all selectors felt that we can go ahead with.
As you said that, as we have seen that in Sri Lanka, pitches are more helpful for spinners. So, was that in your mind? And two experienced spinners have been selected for this squad.
Yeah, surely we are first of all very happy that Harbhajan has come strong, and as I repeatedly said, that it's our job to represent each and every domestic player who plays and performs, but ultimately it comes to that particular tour and looking at the fitness and current form, then we go into the final selection of picking these 15, and we all selectors are very happy the way Harbhajan has come back, and now we want that the spin attack, which consists of Harbhajan, Ashwin and Amit Mishra, to deliver.
And Amit Mishra probably has come into team squad after 4 years. So you have been selected for last 2-3 years. So was there any particular reason he was not in the scheme of the things, or?
Well, Amit Mishra was always in scheme of the things, and if you remember, even last year he was in reserves. The final authority or final decision of picking 11 is always left to the team management and captain. Our job is to give them a right combination of 15 players. Why A was not played and why B was picked, it is not what we get into. So Amit Mishra was always been part of our thinking, and now looking at the conditions, we have picked him for this Sri Lanka tour.
Kushan.
My question is, since Virat has always said that he wants 5 bowlers because that's the way the important to take 20 bowlers. Do you think the kind of batting that has been displayed by Wriddhiman Saha is good at number 6, because if you are playing 5 bowlers, then Saha effectively comes at number 6, which means he probably might be taking the second over. Does he have the technical variable?
Well, does he have the technique or no? The time will tell. We have backed him looking at his performance in domestic cricket, the kind of experience he carries. You immediately cannot replace someone like Dhoni and come in and deliver the results. But we certainly feel that Wriddhiman Saha is the right option at this stage, and looking at his ability in batting as well, he should strike a good balance.
Chetan.
We'll go with the same setup what we had in the last few months till we decide on the permanent coach. As I said earlier, the Cricket Advisory Committee will meet soon to shortlist the name and finalize and recommend it to the BCCI.
Yes, Pragyan Bojha, he was discussed, but ultimately only 15 can go. So looking at, again, coming to the wickets in Sri Lanka and their performance against leg spinners, we gave preference to Amit Mishra.
Atit.
One question to Anurag and then to Mr. Patil. Anurag, this was a selection for a test series, but was the series lost, one-day series lost versus Bangladesh was also discussed in this meeting? And secondly to Mr. Patil, were you actually disappointed with the comments made by Mr. Dhoni about the bowlers?
Well, captain has all the right to make a comment. We have no objection to that. It is up to BCCI to react to that. MS Dhoni is our one of the best leaders we have seen, and he has all the right to make a comment regarding bowlers, because he is also concerned, like you said, whether we discussed the performance of Bangladesh and Zimbabwe. We did discuss Bangladesh and in today's meeting Zimbabwe performance also, because on both the tours my co-selectors had been on the tour, so they also give our feedback prior to we start selection meeting, we always, hear the selectors who are on the tour. So it is not that we just sit and select the team. We always discuss what was the reason for, particular department not doing well. And after discussing, after hearing them, then we take a call.
Question from
I think Sandy has already answered your question, but I would like to add not only the performance of the players, what we discuss, we also discuss about the fitness of the players. And BCCI, as I said earlier, is very, very keen for a system where anyone who is selected for the Team India should qualify, there should be a benchmark, they should be fully fit, and there should be certain standards. And NCA will play a very, very important role, not only for the Team India, but for the India A sides as well as for the under-19 players. Once they are in the reckoning and they want to play for Team India, they should know what standards we are looking at and they should qualify according to that.
question from
मेरा सवाल संदीप पाटिल से। संदीप, टीम में अभी अनुभव की काफी कमी है क्योंकि धोनी ने भी छोड़ दिया और पहले भी काफी सीनियर खिलाड़ी रिटायर हो चुके हैं। क्या गौतम गंभीर पर डिस्कशन हुआ आज?
नहीं, he was not discussed.
रवीश।
सर, मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि वनडे सीरीज हुई जिम्बाब्वे में, ठीक ठाक रही, T20 का हम एक क्लास मैच हार गए, तो जो सेलेक्टर्स हासिल करना चाहते थे उस दौर में, बहुत सारे पुराने खिलाड़ियों को याद भी किया गया था, वो हासिल हुआ या नहीं हुआ?
I think we are very happy. The kind of performance Indian team delivered on Zimbabwe too, especially because if you look at the team, it was quite young team. Ajinkya Rahane leading for the first time, except for Harbhajan Singh, which I said earlier that he's come good. He's strike his form back, and we will support. We'll go on supporting players, not looking at their age, but looking at their form and fitness. Like our secretary said, that it is not only the form which is important, the fitness is equally important.
तो बड़ी खबर ये कि टीम इंडिया का सिलेक्शन हुआ है। श्रीलंका के खिलाफ 3 टेस्ट मैचों की सीरीज होगी, 12 अगस्त से ये सीरीज होगी और अमित मिश्रा की इस टीम में वापसी हुई है। काफी समय से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट में 2011 में उन्होंने आखिरी बार खेला था। कैसी है ये टीम और क्या श्रीलंका में जो चुनौतियां रहेंगी उस पर ये टीम खरी उतरेगी, इस पर ब्रेक के बाद चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे। बड़ी खबर यह है कि श्रीलंका दौरे के लिए टीम इंडिया का ऐलान हुआ है। 12 अगस्त से 3 टेस्ट मैचों की सीरीज शुरू होगी और इसके लिए अब से थोड़ी देर पहले टीम इंडिया का ऐलान हुआ। 15 सदस्यीय टीम है और अमित मिश्रा की टीम में वापसी हुई है। और न्यूज़रूम से सीधे हमारे स्पोर्ट्स एडिटर राजीव मिश्रा जुड़ चुके हैं, सीधे उनका रुख करेंगे। राजीव, टीम पर तो आप कमेंट दीजिए ही, लेकिन जो बड़ी बात है अमित मिश्रा की टीम में वापसी हुई है। 2011 में उन्होंने आखिरी बार खेला था जहां तक मुझे याद आ रहा है।
जी बिल्कुल राकेश, और अगर आप जो टीम चुनी गई है श्रीलंका के लिए, अगर उसको बहुत ध्यान से देखें तो बहुत एक ऐसी टीम चुनी गई है जो जिसकी स्ट्रेंथ स्पिन गेंदबाजी हो, क्योंकि अभी जो पाकिस्तान की टीम श्रीलंका में खेल रही है, अगर आप उसका परफॉर्मेंस देखें तो यासिर शाह जो उनके लेग स्पिनर हैं, उन्होंने पूरी तरह से डोमिनेट किया। पहले टेस्ट सीरीज में उन्होंने श्रीलंका के बल्लेबाजों को परेशान किया और अब वनडे सीरीज में भी उन्होंने शानदार गेंदबाजी की है। तो ये जो इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है वो संदीप पाटिल और जो सेलेक्टर्स बैठे हुए थे साथ में विराट कोहली का बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल था अमित मिश्रा के टीम में वापसी का। और आप बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हैं, 4 साल के बाद वापसी कर रहे हैं। बीच में करण शर्मा टीम में अंदर आए बतौर लेग स्पिनर, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा वो इंप्रेसिव नहीं रहे। हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में उनकी गेंदबाजी भी देखी थी। तो ये जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है इस टीम में अमित मिश्रा, मुझे लग रहा है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कड़ी होंगे इस सीरीज में, क्योंकि 93 से हमने कोई सीरीज वहां पर जीती नहीं है और ये बात विराट कोहली के जहन में जरूर होगी।
बिल्कुल, विराट कोहली के जहन में भी होगी और अमित मिश्रा एक बड़ा फैक्टर होंगे। करण शर्मा का आपने नाम लिया, करण शर्मा को भी लेकर एक सवाल है, लेकिन फिलहाल राजीव